In this video, we'll explore the concept of equivalent ratios using the fraction 1/4. We'll create equivalent ratios by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero number. For example, if we multiply both the 1 and 4 by 2, we get the equivalent fraction 2/8. Now, let's create some more equivalent ratios by using different numbers to multiply with. First, we multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 to get 3/12. Next, we'll multiply them by 4. This will give us 4/16. Finally, let's multiply by 5 to form 5/20. We've now created several equivalent ratios for the fraction 1/4. It's important to note that while the numbers in the fractions have changed, the value representing the ratio remains constant across all of these fractions. Visualize these equivalent ratios as different divisions of a whole into equal parts. We will illustrate this concept using squares. This division represents 1 out of 4 equal parts of the square. Now take a look at this square divided into 8 sections. 2 of these sections are highlighted to reflect the equivalent fraction 2/8. Similarly, here we have a square that represents 3/12 by virtue of its division into 12 equal sections. These diagrams provide a visual aid for understanding how multiplying both parts of a fraction by the same number generates equivalent fractions, and how those fractions relate to a whole.